Nagaland. Nagaland, the state of India lying in the hills and mountain of northern eastern part of the country. It is one of the smallest state of India, but there are number of different tribes and culture diversity. There is little wonder in fact that Nagaland is famous as the land of festival, with each tribe practicing its own ritual and tradition. Traditional clothes of Nagaland. The traditional costume worn in Nagaland are a lot different from other states of India. The dresses that people wear here are colorful and vibrant. The beautiful shawls are amongst the most popular traditional dresses of Nagaland. Ogmi tribes. The pattern is common among all the dresses of Ogmi, which is banded colored red and yellow on the top of the black cloth named Lohe. Lothas. Lothas have a separate distinction of shawls on the basis of the number of jina which are performed by the one wearing it. Chingas shawls. Kasini is the dress worn by unmarried boys as well as girls. A newly married couple wear the silangne. Tobune is the different kind of Chingas shawl, which is zigzag pattern on the red and black colored alternately on a blue pant. Clit. Clit is another commonly worn dress from the shawl. A clit is denoted as the working dress which is usually black. It is interestingly designed with cowries which make the appear like a male dress. Thank you. I hope you like the project and information.